welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a glueless frontal wig or a frontal glueless wig, which is it. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. And to be honest guys, this is actually my first time of installing my lace wig by myself, so this is actually more of a learning process for me, and also show you all, especially for first timers, how to install your frontal glueless wig, your glueless frontal wig. Okay guys, if you are a new viewer, if this is the first time you are viewing my video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications, do not forget to like this post and leave your comments. I'll be reading. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love on my previous post. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do love and appreciate you all. So guys, this is the wig I'm going to be installing. Is a glueless frontal wig. It's a 14 inches double drum wig. I actually don't know where it was gotten from because it's actually a gift, so I don't know where it was gotten from, but this wig is like superb. The feel is, I don't know, it's orgasmic. But like, the wig looks or feels like really good, and I am so in love with the wig. So this is the wig I'm going to be fixing today guys. So guys, now I'm just going to place the wig on my hair and adjust it to fit properly. After fixing the wig to fit properly, I'm just going to trim off the lace. As you can see guys, I'm trimming off the lace, and I'm doing that carefully so I don't go on to trim off the hair itself. So guys, now I'm done trimming off the excess lace, and now I'm just going to go in and apply my got2b ultra glued styling gel. Remember, this is a glueless frontal wig, so I'm not making use of a glue. I am just using this styling gel to hold down the edges of the hair, and then I will just press down tightly afterwards. So now I'm just blow drying to hold that down even more. So now I'm just applying this hair wax in circular motion to improve the texture of my hair. So now I'm just straightening my hair with the hot comb, and also to create an even smoother hair texture. So guys, I couldn't get it on camera, but I went on to pluck the hair. So now I'm just going to take out the parts that I will trim and use for my baby hairs. So guys, this is me attempting to do my baby hairs, and trust me guys, it was an epic fail. Again, I have to say this, I am really terrible when it comes to styling my hair, so pardon me with whatever it is that I am doing and assuming that it's a baby hair. So guys, this is me after I realized that doing baby hairs is not part of my calling, and I finally settled for this style. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment on this video, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.